Soldiers walking through the jungle at night when they start hearing footsteps that don't belong to anyone. Not enemy patrols, not animals, something else. During the Vietnam War, American units reported a terrifying sound they called the Ghost Patrol. Heavy boots marching in perfect rhythm. But when they searched, there was no one there. No tracks, no movement, nothing. Some believed it was the echo of past battles. Others said the Viet Cong used hidden tunnels to create the sound and confuse troops. But here's the strangest part. Multiple units reported the same rhythm, miles apart on the same night. No one ever figured out what those phantom footsteps really were. For more stories like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Storybro YT.